Morning, students of class 8A. You're welcome in mathematics class. Arithmetic exercise 8B based on compound interest. Question number 5. Statement of this question: on what principle the compound interest for 2 years will be 2091 if the annual rate of interest is 4%. You had asked this question in live class, and there was a little minor mistake was there, so I could not get the perfect solution. So I repeated this solution in video class. So in the first sentence, I have written all the given informations. Given informations are CI 2091 and 2 years, R%, 4% per annum. We are asked to find out the principal. First I got amount equal to P plus I, P plus 2091. I means compound interest is 2091, so I added with principal, I got amount. Now we know the formula A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. So A is P plus 2091, I wrote here, equal to P into 1 plus 4 by 100 whole square. 4 is rate of interest and this 2 is time. This value we have to find out, the value of P. For that, in the second step, I wrote P plus 2091 equal to P into 104 into 104 by 100 into 104 by 100. This calculation is being 104 by 100, taking LCM this. And whole square is there, so I multiplied 2 times 104 by 100 into 104 by 100. Now I followed the rule of transposition. P into 104 by 100 into 104 by 100 minus P. This P will go that side, there will be minus P, and this side is left only rupees 2091. P is common. I took common inside the bracket. 104 by 100 into 104 by 100 minus 1 is left, equal to 2091. As we multiply these two, 104 into 104, we got 10,816 by 100 into 100, that became 10,000 minus 1 equal to 2091. In the next step, I took LCM, that is 10,000. This divided, LCM I divided by this denominator, I got 1 into 10,816 equal to 10,816 minus, here denominator is 1, I divided LCM by this denominator 1, I got 10,000, that 10,000 into 1 equal to 10,000 equal to 2091. So this subtraction is being 816, so P into 816 by 10,000 equal to 2091. So P equal to 2091 into 10,000 by 816. I simplified it here in rough space and I got 18,425, while in the answer it is given 25,625. That answer is not matching, but see, this is the solution. You also solve this, calculate this, how much you are getting, you see. I got 18,425, that is the answer. In question number 8, CI minus SI means the difference between SI and CI for 3 years is given, that is 1612. R% is given 10% per annum. We are asked to find the principal. Here we have a shortcut process. This formula that you are seeing, CI minus SI for 3 years equal to PR square into 300 plus R by 100 cube, in which P is the principal, R is the rate of interest. CI minus SI for 3 years is given 1612. So I wrote here equal to P into 10 into 10, R square. R is 10, so R square 10 into 10, R square 10 into 10. 300 plus R, 10, 300 plus 10 by 100 cube, means 100 into 100 into 100. So from this equation we will find out the value of P. First I simplified 10 into 10, 100, and this 100 cancelled. What is left? 1612 equal to P into 310 by 100 into 100. So P equal to 1612 into 100 into 100 by 310. This 1010 cancelled, and if you multiply 31 by 52 you will get 1612. So these two are cancelled. I wrote here 52. Now 52 upon 3 zeros, so became 52,000. So the principal is rupees 52,000. In question number 9, principal is given rupees 4,000, amount is given 4,410, and rate of interest is given 5% per annum. We are asked to find out the number of times, means this much amount for this much principal with this much rate of interest, in how many years this will be the amount. So we know the formula A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. At the place of A I kept 4,410, at the place of principal 4,000, 1 plus 5 by 100, R percentage 5, so 5 by 100 to the power n. In the next step, this much equal to means 1 plus 5 by 100 to the power n equal to, this will be divided by this, and here in this step this 0 and this 0 cancelled, 1 0 is this side and this side 1 0, both are cancelled. So 1 plus 5 by 100 to the power n equal to, this will be divided by 400, so 441 by 400. Now I simplified, this became 105 by 100 to the power n, and this is 441 by 400. These two are divisible by 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 1 is 5, and this 5 into 20, 100. So this became 21 by 20 to the power n, and this side we can write 21 by 21 square. 21 square means 441, and 20 square means 400. So this we wrote for 21 by 20 whole square. If you multiply these two times you will get 441. If you multiply 22 times you will get 400. So we can write 441 by 400 as 21 by 20 whole square. Now the base is same, common base, 21 by 20 and 21 by 20 both are cancelled. Therefore n equal to 2. So the number of years equal to 2 years. In 2 years this much principal with a 5% rate of interest will be 4,410 as the amount. In question number 11, principal is given rupees 9,000. Year, number of years, that is 1 year, and rate of interest is 10% per annum. This interest is compounded half yearly, and then we are asked to find out amount and the principal. Amount and the CI. We know the formula. While interest is compounded half yearly, then A equal to P into 1 plus R by 2. R by 2 means the rate of interest will be divided by 2. R by 2 by 100 to the power 2n means number of years will be multiplied by 2. This is a special case when the compound interest is compounded half yearly. Now I kept the values. Principal is 9,000 into 1 plus R by 2 means 10 by 2. 10 by 2, that 2 will come with denominator 100. So this became 10 by 200, and this number of years is multiplied by 2. Number of years is 1, that is multiplied by 2 means 2 into 1. Now in the next step, 9,000, this LCM and this calculation became 210 by 200 whole square. Here I have multiplied this 210 by 200 2 times due to square, and simplification I got 9,922.50. This became the amount. Now CI equal to, we know amount minus principal. Amount is this much, principal is that, subtracted I got rupees 922.50.